3 small home improvements that will yield big results when you go to sell your house. Number 1, the first thing that I highly recommend to anybody who is selling their house, because this is the number 1 complaint that I hear from buyers: paint. It is paint. It is so hard for a buyer to get past paint, believe it or not. So if you have dark colors on your wall, if you have walls that are all different colors, if you have shades of walls that are not neutral, red, green, paint it. Trust me, this is the cheapest way to upgrade your house in the eyes of a buyer. Number 2, the next biggest thing on my list is just staying on top of your home maintenance, because a house that has not been maintained, buyers can tell, and buyers are going to think that the homeowner didn't take very good care of their house, and so they're going to probably try to offer you less money because they don't think the house is in great condition. So staying on top of those little low-cost maintenance items will make a big difference when you go to sell your house. Lastly, it's going to be your front yard. It's the curb appeal, and that is going to be the next cheapest thing to give your home a big boost for putting it on the market. A fresh coat of, trim your bushes, get rid of anything that's dead and ugly, and it will make a huge difference when you go to sell.